Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fairy English Podcast. I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. Thank you for joining me for another episode where we learn English through natural conversations and everyday topics. Today's topic is my daily routine. This is one of the most common topics in English learning. Whether you're introducing yourself, having a conversation with someone, attending an interview, or taking an English exam, talking about your daily routine is a very useful skill. In this episode, I will walk you through my entire day from the moment I wake up in the morning until I go to sleep at night. Along the way, I will share useful vocabulary, common expressions, and simple English sentences that you can use in your own daily conversations. So, grab a cup of coffee, relax, and let's begin. My day usually starts early in the morning. I normally wake up at around 6 a.m. When my alarm goes off, I try not to press the snooze button. Instead, I get out of bed and start my day. The first thing I do is open the curtains and let some fresh air and sunlight into my room. I enjoy the peaceful feeling of the early morning. Everything is quiet, and it feels like a fresh start. After that, I make my bed. Making the bed only takes a few minutes, but it makes my room look neat and organized. It also gives me a small sense of accomplishment right at the beginning of the day. Next, I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth and wash my face. These simple habits help me feel awake and refreshed. Then I take a shower. A morning shower helps me feel energized and ready for the day ahead. Once I am clean and dressed, I spend a few moments thinking about my goals for the day. I like to start my day with a positive mindset. I believe that the way we begin our mornings often influences the rest of our day. After getting ready, it's time for breakfast. Breakfast is one of my favorite meals of the day because it gives me energy and helps me stay focused. I usually eat something healthy, such as eggs, toast, fruit, or oatmeal. Sometimes I drink tea, and other times I enjoy a cup of coffee. While having breakfast, I often check the news, listen to a podcast, or simply enjoy the quiet atmosphere of the morning. A healthy breakfast is important because it provides the energy needed for work, study, and daily activities. Many people skip breakfast because they are busy, but I think taking a few minutes to eat something nutritious is always worth it. After breakfast, I take some time to plan my day. I check my schedule, review my tasks, and decide which activities are most important. Planning helps me stay organized and productive. Without a plan, it's easy to waste time or forget important responsibilities. I usually write down a list of tasks that I want to complete before the day ends. Seeing my goals written down motivates me to stay focused. Once my planning is finished, I begin working. Depending on the day, my work may involve writing, studying, learning new skills, creating content, answering emails, or completing different projects. I try to focus on the most important tasks first because my mind is usually freshest in the morning. One thing I've learned is that productivity is not about being busy all the time, it's about using time wisely. During work hours, I try to avoid distractions. I put my phone away, focus on one task at a time, and give my full attention to what I'm doing. This helps me complete tasks more efficiently and with better quality. Of course, nobody can work continuously without taking breaks. Every hour or so, I take a short break. I stand up, stretch my body, drink some water, and rest my eyes for a few minutes. These short breaks help me maintain my energy and concentration. Sometimes I walk around the room or step outside for a little fresh air. It's amazing how a simple 5-minute break can improve focus and productivity. Around noon, I take a break for lunch. Lunch is an important part of my day because it gives me energy for the afternoon. I usually eat a balanced meal that includes vegetables, rice, chicken, fish, or other healthy foods. While eating lunch, I try to relax and enjoy the moment. Sometimes I eat with family members or friends, and other times I enjoy a quiet meal by myself. A good lunch helps me feel refreshed and ready to continue working. After lunch, I return to my work or studies. The afternoon is often a time when people start feeling tired, so I make an effort to stay focused. I continue working on projects, learning new things, and completing tasks from my to-do list. I also enjoy spending some time improving my English skills. I may listen to English podcasts, watch educational videos, read articles, or practice speaking. Learning English every day, even for a short time, can lead to significant improvement over time. Consistency is one of the most important keys to success. As the day begins to wind down, I move into my evening routine. The evening is one of my favorite parts of the day because it allows me to relax after working. Sometimes I go for a walk outside. Walking helps me clear my mind and reduce stress. Fresh air and physical activity can make a big difference in how we feel. Other times, I do light exercise at home. Exercise helps keep my body healthy and my mind strong. Even a short workout can improve mood and increase energy levels. Another important part of my evening is spending time with family. Family plays an important role in our lives. After a busy day, it's nice to sit together, talk, and share experiences. We discuss what happened during the day, share stories, and support each other. These moments help strengthen relationships and create happy memories. In today's busy world, spending quality time with loved ones is more important than ever. Everyone needs hobbies and activities they enjoy. In my free time, I like reading books, listening to podcasts, learning new skills, and exploring interesting topics. Books allow me to learn from other people's experiences and gain new perspectives. Podcasts are also a great way to learn while relaxing. Sometimes I watch documentaries or educational videos. I believe that learning should never stop. Every day is an opportunity to discover something new. As evening turns into night, it's time for dinner. Dinner is usually a calm and relaxing meal. I enjoy eating dinner with my family whenever possible. We talk about our day and enjoy spending time together. A healthy dinner helps provide the nutrients our bodies need while preparing us for rest. After dinner, I usually avoid heavy work and focus on relaxing activities. One habit that helps me stay organized is preparing for the next day. I review my schedule, organize my workspace, and make a list of important tasks. This simple habit reduces stress and makes mornings much easier. Knowing that everything is ready helps me sleep peacefully. Before going to bed, I follow a simple night routine. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and get ready for sleep. I try to avoid spending too much time on my phone because screens can affect sleep quality. Instead, I may read a few pages of a book or listen to calming music. These activities help me relax and prepare for a restful night. Good sleep is extremely important for physical health, mental health, and overall well-being. I usually go to bed around 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. Getting enough sleep allows me to wake up feeling refreshed and ready for a new day. Every day may not be perfect, but having a healthy routine helps create structure, balance, and productivity. Small habits practiced consistently can lead to big improvements over time. Whether your goal is learning English, improving your health, becoming more productive, or achieving personal success, daily routines play an important role. Remember, success is not built in a single day. Success is built through small actions repeated every day. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode of Fairy English Podcast. I hope you enjoyed this discussion about daily routines and learned some useful English vocabulary and expressions. If you found this episode helpful, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Keep practicing English every day, stay curious, and never stop learning. Until next time, take care of yourself, stay positive, and keep speaking English with confidence. Goodbye, and have a wonderful day.